Hola amigos, chef on this side. I love crabs. Do you? We can cook it in many ways. We can make curry, masala, tandoori crab cakes, and the list goes on. But today I have come up with a different kind of recipe, which is crab meat fry. Let's go cooking. To begin with, clean the crabs and separate the legs. Let's add some water into a vessel and bring it to boil. Lower the heat and add in the crabs. Cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. While the crab is getting cooked, let's chop some shallots. Crush some ginger and garlic. I love garlic, so I am going crazy on it. Slit a few green chillies. Cut and slice on onion. Now comes the only difficult part in the recipe. We have to remove the meat from the shells. For that, I am using a meat pounder here. If you don't have it, go ahead and buy one. Links of the ones which I prefer are in the description box. If you don't want to buy one, just use something heavy which can break the shells. Heat some coconut oil in a clay pot. Slice some coconut into bits and add it into the oil. Stir it for a while. Once the coconut turns crispy and brown, add in the chopped shallots and onion. Add the green chillies and the crushed ginger garlic. Add some curry leaves and saute it for a while. Someone asked me which camera do I use for shooting these videos. While the onions are getting sauteed, let me answer this. To be honest, I don't have a huge video shooting setup. I use my iPhone 12 mini to shoot these videos. The best part is that 12 mini has got both 4K and HD recording options. I use HD30 most of the times. I also have got two studio lights for lighting purpose. Hope this helps. If you are looking to buy any of these, check out the links in the description box. Let's get back to cooking. Saute until the onions become soft. Add some turmeric powder, chilli powder and coriander powder. Mix everything together. Add in one chopped tomato. Cook the tomato until it turns mushy. Add the crab meat and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Add some crushed black pepper at the end. Stir it well and remove it from the stove. Tasty and spicy crab meat fry is ready. So my dear amigos, you should definitely try this out and do let me know how it turned out for you. Detailed recipe is in the description box. If you enjoyed watching the video, you know what to do. Do like, share and subscribe. Signing off for now. See you next week. Bye bye.